Do you know your Casio FX 991 ES Plus calculator can easily perform iterations of the Gauss Seidel method? Let's see how you can solve simultaneous linear equations step by step without any manual iteration. Gauss Seidel method is used to solve a system of linear equations iteratively. For example, this system can be solved using Gauss Seidel method iteratively. We start with an initial guess and keep updating x, y, z until values converge. We will perform a few iterations using Casio FX 991 ES Plus calculator. But before that, we will arrange the given system in this way. We always rearrange each equation for its leading variable. Let us understand the method first. We initialize y and z as 0. Use this value of y and z to compute x. That is, in the formula of x, we will put y equal to 0 and z equal to 0. And that gives you x is equal to 12 by 10, which is 1.2. Now to compute y, which uses x and z, we will put z equal to 0 and x is equal to the latest available value, which is 1.2. And that gives you y is equal to 1.06. Now to compute z, we need x and y. We take help of latest available value of x and y, and that gives you z is equal to 1.068. So these are the first iteration value of x, y and z. Now again we compute the value of x, which uses y and z. We will put the latest available value, which is y equal to 1.06 and z is equal to 1.068, and that gives you x is equal to 0.9872. Now to compute value of y, we need x and z. We will take help of it, and that gives you y is equal to 0.9958. Now we take help of these two new values of x and y to compute z, and that gives us z is equal to 1.1021. So these are the second iteration values of x, y and z. We continue this process. That means we take help of the latest available value of the variables to compute the next, and we will stop this when two consecutive iterations are giving you the same value. Now let us use Casio FX 991 ES Plus calculator to solve this. We are going to use the variables a, b, c of the calculator for the variables x, y, z of the system, and we will initialize them by 0. That is, we store 0 in a, and this can be done by pressing 0 and then shift store a. This stores value 0 in variable a. We repeat this for b and c. Next important step is to type the formula of x, y and z. Now to type the formula of x, we press open bracket 12 minus y it is, but the value of y is stored in variable b. So we recall the value of b by pressing alpha b, minus z, but the value of z is stored in c. So we recall it by pressing alpha c. We close the bracket and divide everything by 10. We can directly store this answer in variable a by pressing shift store a. The value is 1.2 and it is directly stored in a. That means your a is updated by this new value 1.2. Next we type the formula of y, that is open bracket 13 minus 2x, but that is going to be 2 alpha a, minus z, but the value of z is stored in c, alpha c. Closing the bracket, dividing this by 10, we can directly store this in variable b. Why b? Because this value has to be stored in y, and the value is 1.06 and it is directly stored in b. Lastly, we feed the formula of z, which is 14 minus x, but the value of x is stored in a, so that is alpha a, minus 2y, that is 2 alpha b. Closing the bracket and dividing everything by 10. Now we will directly store this value in c by pressing shift store c, and that gives you the value of z, which is 1.068. Now the interesting part is, we just go to the formula of x and simply press equal to. That automatically calculates the next iteration value of x, and this new iteration value is again stored in a. Now we simply go back to the formula of y and press equal to. That gives you updated value of y and it is stored in b. Now we simply go back to the formula of c and press equal to. This gives you the updated value of z. We can do this for as many iterations as we want, but we will stop this when 2 consecutive iterations are giving the same value. This is additional example for practice. If you have any query, then you can put it in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video till the end.